Hi guys, we're back to work on the ephemera keeper some more. So I guess you can tell that most of the bust of my stash is likely going to be ephemera because I'm making this big old book to keep it in. And this was, if you missed the first video, this was a little book that had cards in it with flowers and different things that, I didn't take this off. Why didn't I take this off? Yeah, I should have taken that off, but it's there now, so I'll deal with it. So, I have an overabundance of washi tape that needs to go somewhere. So I'm looking through it at the ones I really am not that fond of, and that's what the front cover is going to be. The inside front cover is going to be plain with washi tape. So, okay, I'll shut up now and get busy. if you notice, I did not go in any particular order. I just randomly grabbed tape and put it down. And some of it is sticking up, but I'm not worried about that. I did not glue stick the back of it because that would have taken me forever and a day. But what I will do is I will come back in and put a very light coat of this high gloss varnish on the inside cover as well. I didn't put that out here. This is all Mod Podge. I'm going to come back when I finish decorating outside and put a light coat of this. Now, if you're using this, you want to go very light. Just barely tip the edge of your brush, and it's going to take you some time, so I'm not going to do it on camera. But you want to make sure you're getting it wet so that it is covering and protecting everything and helping it to stay laid down, but not wet enough that it's soaking through to your book board, because it will eventually, you know, if you get it too wet, it's going to buckle your book board and it can cause mold. So you don't want that, trust me. So, if you notice, I also struggled a lot with some of the washi tape because we are in a very high humid area here. So my washi tape tends to stick to itself. I'm probably one in a million that buys washi tape per project, and then I stick it in a storage container and I buy a different one for the next project. So I have a lot of washi tape I want to use up. I think I sold altogether 86 rolls of washi tape during my live sales and still have all this tape left. So I'm going to be making some Franken pages. I'm going to be making a lot of stuff using up washi tape. Right now, I'm not sure if I'm going to do the back cover or the spine. I don't see any need to. I mean, I may, but right now, my concerns are the front and back cover and this one. And then making what I'm going to put the ephemera in to go in here. And I have an idea. I'm going to try one. If it works, that's what we'll go with. So stay tuned and come back and watch. See you next time. Bye-bye.